While everybody centers around Bitcoin and Ethereum, different open doors probably won't be on many individuals' radar. The OMG tokens are in the information at their vertical cost forecasts and getting more financial backer consideration as a result of how they perform contrasted with the opposition. OMG organization is gradually taking off, acquiring market inclusion. The most recent news inclusion of this underestimated coin is acquiring additional consideration from the market-changing exchanging choices. We should figure out more about the OMG organization project and the story behind it. OMG organization is a Layer 2 scaling arrangement that is worked for the Ethereum blockchain. It permits clients to move ETH and ERC20 tokens less expensive and quicker than making those exchanges straightforwardly on the Ethereum organization. The OMG organization was established by Untitled Omg, a Thai resident working as an auxiliary of Sinca, which is a Thailand-based fintech organization. The plasma-based sidechain design additionally permits it to increment effectiveness while lessening carbon impression by decreasing the power utilization up to 99% contrasted with Ethereum. This is cosmically high while likewise lessening expenses up to 66% of the ordinary charge. This is finished while ensuring that the resources remain guarded by the Ethereum blockchain network. OMG organization market feeling. The ongoing cost going off is being ascribed to financial backer energy. OMG organization group is carrying out a few new turns of events, which should be visible on their task site. OMG token holders are qualified for BOBA administration token, which has been in the news as of late. As indicated by the tasks site, BOBA organization is an Ethereum Layer 2 hopeful roll-up scaling arrangement. The point is to decrease gas expenses, further develop the exchange throughput and expand the abilities of savvy contracts. Named BOBA organization, the venture is a Layer 2 arrangement that will permit exchanges of most digital forms of money to have an installment interaction at a lightning-quick speed. This will build the perceivability of cryptos as a suitable opponent to Visa and MasterCard. Assuming this innovation alters the way how the world handles monetary forms, it will be the following huge thing in the fintech world. We should investigate industry specialists and best digital money estimate stages perspectives on the OMG organization cost forecasts. In view of our OMG cost expectations, a drawn-out increment is normal. The OMG organization cost estimate for 2026 is $19.232. With a 5-year speculation, the income is supposed to be around plus 283.72%. OMG organization cost has been showing a rising propensity, and our information demonstrates that the OMG cost has been on an upturn for the beyond 1 year. The future cost of OMG is anticipated at $26.01964 following a year, as per our forecast. OMG organization expectations, toward the beginning of December 2022, the cost will be around $4.72. A most extreme cost of $4.96, the base cost of $4.20 for December 2022. The typical OMG organization cost for December 2022 is $4.58. OMG organization cost gauge toward the finish of December 2022 is $4.72. As per our specialized examination and conjecture on past value information of OMG, in 2022, the cost of OMG organization is anticipated to reach at the very least degree of $4.98. The OMG cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $5.98 with a typical exchanging cost of $5.14. The OMG organization cost is anticipated to reach $4.01510 by the start of December 2022. The normal most extreme cost is $5.01888. The base cost is $3.41284. The OMG organization cost conjecture for the year's end is $3.35702. Assuming that we see how well it is doing, the OMG organization cost is at 3 years high, with the ongoing cost exchanging at $5. This high, whenever proceeded, can surpass 4 years high in no less than a year, gave it keeps a decent up-moving business sector. The value history of OMG organization isn't that great in the past 2 years. The cost changes have not been fascinating for crypto exchanging this time period. The drop in cost in 2018 was for the most part because of the prohibiting of OMG cryptographic money in the trades, bringing about high unpredictability at those key levels. With its new high of $5.01 since its underlying stages, OMG organization seems to be a decent chance for brokers. However, is it adequate at this price tag to purchase OMG range? Is the OMG market currently far beyond the best passage point? How about we find out with the specialized examination? The ongoing cost of OMG organization is $5.01, with the crypto positioning at number 101. The market capitalization of OMG organization is around $699,630,149.64 and a circling supply of around 140,245,398 OMG coins, which is the greatest coin limit. The most recent 24 hours ups and downs have been $5.10 and $4.80, separately. The aggregation has been consistently expanding throughout the past year and is as yet predictable, with the OMG breaking out the present moment, beating different figures. Omg Value Expectation 2022. With the OMG cost expectation for 2022 around $5.47, it will probably be the year when the eventual fate of OMG organization will essentially ponder the cost graph it structures. The OMG value figure of $6.53 is sensibly protected assuming the reception rate proceeds. The worth of OMG will increment over the long haul as it earns the consideration of the crypto local area. OMG organization value forecast 2023. In 2023, the OMG value pattern will keep on reflecting potential gain energy according to our OMG organization gauge. Subsequently, the OMG cost is supposed to reach $6.58 this year. For a long-haul OMG organization cost expectations, essential specialized investigation is required. Concerning industry arrangements, the OMG token offers a couple. The OMG organization runs a bug abundance program, which rewards developers to track down mistakes inside the organization and assists with fixing those issues. This motivating force to find issues in the organization makes it very great, as any issues that will be found could be accounted for back to the improvement group, and the issues could be fixed. This will empower the OMG organization to remain protected from bugs over the long haul. OMG Value Expectation 2024. The OMG coin will stay in the vertical cost pattern in 2024. By 2024, the OMG cost is supposed to be around $7.15 in light of our